这个真的很好吃，
真的哦。
我觉得不喜欢也没关系。
不喜欢也没关系。因为你要自己吃，对不对？
我觉得你弟弟可能喜欢。
对。
这样呢，它有12个flavor。
那有哪12个？
芒饼、巧克力、当归就是那个 winter melon，然后咖啡，cheese 有，1、2、3都有，然后 green tea， matcha， 然后 durian， 还有最后一个是凤梨。It has more flavor, but this one I think it's only cheese, chocolate, and 芒饼。
可以这样吗？Okay. Want to you want me? Okay.需要配茶。Thanks. 这个完全需要配茶。偏甜需要配茶干。你呢
？OK。
Okay.
Sweet.
Next time we should try the Taiwanese one. Like with the same flavor.
Which one?
I think I like it. I think the flavor is so okay with me. The other two is kind of scary for me.
What?
I never had that in traditional cake.
It's not traditional at all. It's already Indonesian.
泡到好看。I think it's okay. Not what I was thinking about. 我以为是那种很恶心的 cheese，还不错哎。